Hello everybody. In this video we'll see the MCQs of Introduction to Hyphenated Methods and GCMS. What is common in these hyphenated methods? GCMS, LCMS, GCIR, MSMS. Common is GCMS hyphen interface. It is the interface which is present in all of them. Okay, the correct answer is interface, not GC. GC is not there in two of them. uh, MS is not there in one of them, and hyphen is there in all, but then hyphen is uh, something which is just a notation. Actually, the interfaces are there in all four of them. The most popular of the hyphenated technique is GCIR, GCMS, MSMS, LCMS. The correct answer is GCMS. GCMS is the most popular of the hyphenated method. MSMS is of course the best one, but it is very expensive. So GCMS is the correct answer, B. In hyphenated method, the first of the two methods is identification tool, separation method, both A and B, and none of these two. Well, the first method is the separation method. It separates the components of the mixture and then sequentially sends it to the second method where the identification of the compounds take place. So the first method in the hyphenated method is separation method. Two methods are there in hyphenated method. It's a combination of two methods. The first method separates the compound and the second one identifies them. Most popular analyzer for GCMS are single focusing mass analyzers, double focusing mass analyzers, quadrupole analyzers, time of flight analyzers. The analyzer which is used usually for GCMS is quadrupole. C is the answer. Ion trap detector is used in MSMS, LCMS, GCMS, ICP-MS. The correct answer is GCMS. Ion trap detector is used in GCMS. Jet separator interface is required in capillary GC column, packed GC column, LC column, none of these. But the jet separator is required for packed GC column. So B is the correct answer. Dash ionization is not used in GCMS. Chemical ionization, electron impact ionization, thermal ionization, none of these. The correct answer is thermal ionization. In GCMS, thermal ionization is not used. Direct coupling GCMS is suitable for columns up to flow rate of 1 ml per minute, 2 ml per minute, 5 ml per minute, 10 ml per minute. Now, without the interface, you can directly couple GC with MS, provided you are using a capillary column, not a packed column, but a capillary column you are using, and it should not have a flow rate of more than 2 ml per minute. If a capillary column is used and it has got a flow rate of 2 ml per minute or less than that, then you can directly couple that column, directly couple GC to MS. No need of an interface. Okay, the correct answer is B. Full scan operational modes of GCMS gives you mass spectra, chromatogram, both mass spectra and chromatogram, none of these. Well, if you are doing the full scan operational mode, that is, you are completely analyzing all the masses and for all the time, and what you will get is the mass spectra also, you will get the chromatogram also. There's a massive data generated, but if you are doing a full scan operational mode, you will get both the mass spectra of each and every compound and the chromatogram of the mixture. So correct answer is both A and B. Question number 10. When GCMS spends the whole cycle time acquiring data at preset masses, the operational mode is FSM, SIM, MID, TIC. There's a whole, some of the things are cut here, but you have read it out. When GCMS spends the whole cycle time acquiring data at preset masses. It is not a single mass but a certain preset masses. Not all the masses but certain preset masses. Then the operational mode is, it is not a full scan mode, it is not a single ion monitoring mode, and it is a multiple ion detector mode, multiple ion detection mode. So this is MID. Okay, and when you do all the SIMs, then you will get the TIC, total ion chromatogram. Total ion chromatogram and FSM are almost same. Okay, but the answer for this is multiple ion detection mode, MID mode. Okay, because the GCMS is spending the whole cycle time acquiring data at preset masses. Okay, not a single mass but certain preset masses. So it's a multiple ion detection mode. Okay, so that completes the MCQs of GCMS and the introduction to hyphenated methods. Thank you.